the loan officer flywheel of awesome. The things that you do to get from 2 deals a month to 4 deals a month are not the same activities that are going to take you from 4 deals a month to 8 deals a month. And the activities that you do to get from 4 deals a month to 8 deals a month are totally different activities than what you need to be doing in order to get from 8 loans a month to 16, and so on. And there's a process that you go through in your business in order to reach each of those levels of growth. I call it the loan officer flywheel of awesome, right? So the first thing that you need to do is you need to know what works at that level of the business. So if you're looking to double, let's say, and you go from 2 loans a month to 4 loans a month consistently. So for 90 days, you're closing double the amount of loans. Well, you have to get with somebody who's already doing that activity, know what's working for them, and then you do those activities until you learn them and you get good at them. As you're doing that, you create a system that generates the results for you. Take the daily success plan, for example. Calling qualified real estate agents, how to open up a conversation, how to get that person to agree to meet with you, how to do the meeting, how to get that person to send you a referral afterwards. That's a skill with 4 different steps that you can teach to another person once you've learned how to do it yourself. The key to success and what creates so much frustration and wasted time and effort and money in the mortgage industry is that people understand how to do something and then they try to grow to the next level without putting a system in place in order to keep the activity going that got them to that point where they can grow. So they grow, they stop doing the activity that got them there, it falls apart, and you fall back from growth, back to the level that you were at, and then you've got to go back to doing the activity, right? Well, the flywheel of awesome is putting a system in place, giving that system to a person that can do it as good as you, or at least 80% as good. Every week, you measure the activity in the system that you were doing to make sure that that person is doing the right role. Now, while they're doing the role that you were doing previously, you're going out and you're networking with new people at that level that you want to get to in your mortgage business. You're seeing what they're doing. You're learning new skills. You're learning new activities to do in your business in order to get to that level. Then what do? You take what's working for you, you put it into a system, you give that system to a person. You meet with that person weekly to measure whether or not they're doing the activity 80% as good as you were, and as long as they are, great, that person's doing that system. Now you've got 2 systems stacked with people doing those systems, making more money than they cost, and you're going out networking with people at the next level in the mortgage industry. Find out what they're doing. Go out, do those activities, learn them, master them, create a system to what you find, and then take that system and give it to a person. And the flywheel continues. I hope that you enjoyed this. Make sure you follow the channel for more great information on how to grow your mortgage business.